So you can see any straight line can be represented in a linear equation form. Okay, any straight line can be represented in a linear equation. Any linear equation, as I told before also, that any linear equation mean what? When the power of the variable is 1. Okay, so you can see the x and y variable power is 1. So whenever any, for any kind of linear equation, that is a equation of a straight line. So here is saying an equation of the form ax, capital AX plus by plus c. Okay, here we'll write like this. Okay, capital A plus capital by capital C, like this, where a b c are real constant. Okay, where a b c are real constant. Okay, and at least of a and b one of a and b is non-zero, is called general equation of a line. Basically, this equation this equation is called general equation of a straight line. Okay, general equation of a straight line. Now we'll learn like this. We learn in second topic the different form of a form of straight line, right? So here also we'll learn different form of straight line when general equation is given. Okay, so here general equation is given ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What will be slope intercept form? Okay, slope intercept form will be this. If b not equal to 0, then ax plus by can be written as y equal to mx plus c form. Okay, how to write y equal to mx plus c? Look, we having this equation. I'm showing for one. We having this equation. Okay, what we can write next line? We can write next line. We can write by equal to minus ax minus c, right? Next line, what we can write? Next line, you can write y equal to here minus ab minus a divided by b into x minus c by b. As simple as that. Look, this is the, if you compare this one with y equal to mx plus c, that was our slope intercept form, right? What is the m? M is this part. Whatever multiplied with x is m, that is minus a by b. And what is c? C is minus c by b. Okay, here I miss this one. It will be minus c by b because it was plus c. So it is just simple. Whenever you are getting the linear equation, how to convert that one in slope intercept form? Just take everything to the right side beside y. Okay, look, we did this, and then divide both side with the coefficient of y. Okay, we'll do one problem. One problem you will understand better. So this is the way how to do. Okay, now, so what is the slope intercept form? Slope intercept form is this, that y equal to minus a by b into x minus c by b. Okay, this now this whatever we learn this general equation, it is already we learned in the previous chapters. Okay, previous topic. So the thing is that if you know, if your concept is clear, then you don't even have to remember any of the form. If you can convert any equation instant. Okay, even me, I don't remember this form. Whenever I used to get the straight line, I just converted like this. I took all the things to the right side except the y, then I divide the both side with coefficient of y. Similarly here, let's talk about here one example. This is in your book 10.3. This is one second problem of one. Okay, 10.3. So what the question is saying, reduce the following equation, reduce the following equation into slope intercept form and find their slope and y-intercept. So first we try to convert this one in slope intercept form. So what I told, first work will be, our first work will be taking all the things to the right side except y. So will be 3y equal to minus 6x plus 5. That is our first work. Okay. Then we have to do this. We have to divide both sides with the coefficient of 3. So what is the coefficient of 3? Sorry, what is the coefficient of y? 3. So if you divide both sides with coefficient of y, here it will be minus 2x plus 5 by 2. Sorry, 5 by 3. Right. If you divide both sides with 3, it will be minus 2x here. Okay, and it will be 3. So we convert this one in slope intercept form, right? Can anyone tell me what is the slope? What is the slope of this line? Or from this equation, how, what will be the slope? What is the slope? You can we can tell it directly without solving anything. We can tell it directly. So what is the slope? First reply me. At least respond something. Yeah, minus 2. Whatever multiplied with x, whatever multiplied with x, that is our slope. Look here, y equal to mx plus c. So m is multiplied with c, right? So slope is minus 2. And what is the y-intercept? Y-intercept is c. Okay, that is 5 by 3. So here we'll write slope equal to minus 2 and intercept y-intercept equal to 5 by 3. One thing we have to remember, if here it is minus sign, okay, we have to write y-intercept is minus 5 by 3, okay, because c value is minus. So what this minus means? Minus means it is just below the origin, okay. So this is the things. Okay, now, so next part. In this in this question number 1, you will see there are two questions will be there, okay. That is homework. Later I will give, but still one question I'm doing, other you have to do homework. Now next is intercept form. What is intercept form? Intercept form is, if c equal to 0, sorry, c not equal to 0, then ax plus by can be written as x divided by minus c by a, y divided by minus c by a. This is like an intercept form, like x by a equal to y by b. How to write this one? Again, method is very easy. You don't have to remember anything. Okay, now whenever you will get the equation, what you have to do? You have to take the this part c to the left hand right hand side. So I'll write here ax plus by equal to minus c. Next line, we have to divide this with ab, okay. Or we can write like this. We can write ax divided by minus c plus by divided by minus c, that is equal to 0. sorry, that is equal to 1. So after that, I'm dividing both sides with 1, with minus c. So right hand side it is 1 and left hand side you can see both their denominator are minus c. After that, what we will do, we'll write like this. We'll write this thing. Okay. How to write the how can we write, if ax divided by c, that means this a can become to the denominator of this c. Similarly, y can become to the denominator of this. Okay, like this we can write um, 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is equal to same as 1 divided by 3 by 2. Okay, if you simplify this one, they already discussed this thing before, I guess. So this is class 9 concept. Fine. So this is the thing. This is our rule. How to do. Whenever, so our first step is you have to take the constant part to the right side. Then you have to divide the both sides with that constant part. Then you have to take the coefficient of x to the denominator of that constant. That is just as simple as that. So if we do one problem, it will be, I mean, it will be better for you. So in this question is saying reduce the following equation uh, into intercept form and find their intercept on the x-axis, on the axis, on the both axes actually, on the axis I have, yeah, on the axis, not axis, on the, I mean the both axes. So rule is same. First we have to take the constant to the right side, so it will be 3x plus 2y equal to 12. Okay, then then we have to divide both sides with 12. So 3x divided by 12 will be x by 4 and 2y divided by 12 will be y by 6, that is equal to 1. Here the coefficient of the x and y already reduced, so we don't have to take anything uh, down to the denominator. Okay, so here already, if the coefficient is left, okay, if the coefficient here left, we have to write the thing. So what is the intercept? Intercept. What is the x intercept? X intercept. X intercept is 4, right? Because x by 4 and y intercept is 6. Okay, y intercept is 6. A very easy question. For practice, you can do the other two problems, though that will be homework. Okay, next part. Next is called normal form. Okay, normal form. What is the normal form? Normal form is nothing but the previous normal form of this one. It is given, normal means, I hope you remember that normal means if a straight line is perpendicular to another straight line, okay, then that straight line is called normal, perpendicular from the origin. Then this straight line, I mean this perpendicular line is called normal to the straight line. So it's saying in this x cos omega. Okay, this is omega sign. You can skip this one. You can make it theta also. I am just for no reason. I'm just writing. So x cos omega plus y cos omega equal to p. B, the normal form of the line represented by the equation ax plus by plus c. Okay, it's saying this is the normal form of this equation. Then cos omega will be equal to plus minus a by a square plus b square. Sin omega will be equal to b divided by a square plus b square plus minus, and p equal to plus minus c divided by a square plus b square. So basically in this question, what you have to do, whenever equation will get, okay, cos will be equal to this. So you have to first you have to identify a, b and c. Then you have to find cos equal to this, sin equal to this, and p equal to this. Okay, after that you have to write this. So let's do something. Let's do one example. Let's So in this one, what we ask reduce the following into normal form and find their perpendicular distance from the origin and angle between perpendicular axis. Sorry, perpendicular x-axis or axis and perpendicular and positive x-axis. Angle between perpendicular and positive x-axis. Okay, you have to find the distance between perpendicular and the positive x-axis. That what normal used to teach, right? If you see the normal, I am showing the normal form. Yeah, this is the normal form. That look the perpendicular making alpha angle with the x-axis. So we have to find this angle and we have to find the perpendicular p distance. Okay, basically in this form, basically yeah, basically in this form we have to find the omega and we have to find the value of p. So after getting this, we have to identify a. What is a? Anyone please let me know what is a. What is a here? If you compare this equation with ax plus by plus c, what is the value of a? Yes, value of a is 1. Value of b will be minus square root of 3. Okay, don't forget the minus sign. And c is equal to 8. Okay, now after that we have to find, look here, all in 3 cases you all needed the square root of a square plus b square. So here first you have to find the a square plus b square square root. So it will be easier to solve the other question. Okay, you have to do less work. If you do this one, square root of a square plus b square will be equal to 1 square plus square root of 3 square. So it will be square root of 4, I guess, 4, which is equal to 2. Okay, so we got square root of a square plus b square equal to 2. Now what will be cos alpha? Cos alpha. Chalo. Cos alpha. Okay, first do this thing. Divide. Here divide both sides with Okay, divide both side with 2. It will be x by 2, or we can write like this: 1 by 2 into x minus square root of 3 by 2 into y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, write down here: divide both side by 2. Okay, why I write like this? Because if you compare, mark this one 1 and here. Now next line can I write this? What value of cos is 1 by 2, or what value of sine is minus root 3 by 2? Then we have to do like this. Okay, if you compare this one with this one, I'm writing this one again here. Mark this one 2 and this one 3. So I'm asking, if we compare these 3 and 2, what is the value of, sorry, not this, sorry, once was this, sorry. Now my question is, if I compare this equation 3 and x cos omega plus y cos omega, y sin omega and p. Okay, so what is the value of cos omega? Anyone? What will be the value of cos omega if you compare this with cos, with this cos x cos omega? What is the value of cos omega? Anyone? If you compare equation 3 and 4, what will be the value of cos omega? Fast reply. Cos 45 degree. How? I'm telling number 3 and 4. If you compare 3 and 4, equation 3 and 4, check. Equation 3 is 1 by 2x minus root 3 by 2 y plus 4. And this one is x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to p. I'm telling you to compare these two. How can be? Yeah, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Obviously, it is 1 by 2. And um, sin omega will be minus square root of 3 divided by 2. Okay, and what is the value of p? Anyone? What is the value of p? What is the value of p? Value of p, value of p 0. Okay, anyone else? Anyone else? Value of p? Yes, correct. Value of p is -4. I just for to check this one, I put this one to right left hand side. Okay, so whenever you have to compare, you have to see what are you compare. Don't go blindly only. Okay, this class 11 mathematics is not like to memorize and you just will pass. Okay, this will be not like this. So if you take this 4 to the right hand side, it will be -4, and you can directly compare this. So in the next line, what will be the 10 omega? Tan omega will be sine omega divided by cos omega. That means it will be -3/2 divided by cos 3/2. So if you simplify this one, you'll get minus square root of root 3. Okay, which is means minus means which quadrant it can be. Minus means it can be on second quadrant or fourth quadrant, right? So let's take second quadrant. Second quadrant, if I take, it will be, and cos positive, sine negative. Okay, sine negative. Sine negative means it will not be on fourth quadrant. Sorry, in the, so cos positive means it is on the fourth quadrant, right? So fourth quadrant, how we do have to do? So it will be root 3. So it can be written as 10. What value is mine? Okay, so this will be, okay, one more thing here. I made one mistake here now. One more thing. Here we always have to, here we always have to make the p positive. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to take like this, x minus square root of 3 divided by 2 y equal to -4. So we are getting -4, right? But I told that we have to always make p positive. So we'll write like this, 1/2 x plus square root of 3/2 y equal to 4. This is the correct, this is the correct correct representation of, this is the correct representation of the line. So now if you compare, now if you compare the 3 and 4, we'll get cos equal to -1/2, sine will be plus root 3/2, and p will be plus 4. Okay, so 10 will be, 10 value will not change. but the thing is that tan will be minus 10, so it will be tan. Which value of tan minus 1? It will be tan 120 degree. Tan 120 degree. Why? Because tan 90 plus 30. Okay, and 90 means it will be pi by 2. Pi by 2 means it will be odd number. Odd number means cot root 3, right? And in second quadrant tan negative. So cot 30 degree value is root 3, and second quadrant tan is negative. So yeah, minus root 3 is tan is 120. So therefore we can write, therefore omega omega equal to 120 degree. Omega equal to 120 degree and P equal to 4. Okay, so let me revise this thing again. What we have to do, whenever we'll find the equation, we have to find the first a square plus b square. Okay, after that in the main equation we have to divide both sides with the that a square plus b square. Fine. After that we will have to take the constant part to the right side, because we have to show always like this: x cos omega plus y cos omega equal to p. So p will always on the right side, and we have to make sure p is positive. Why? Can anyone tell me why p is positive? Anyone can tell me why p is positive? P, why p is positive? Anyone? Look, P is the distance from the origin to the line. So distance can never be negative. Okay. So P, that P always remain positive. So I divided both side with minus. So it is half 1 by 2x minus root 3 by 2y equal to minus 4. So it will be 1 minus 1 by 2x plus root 3 by 2y equal to 4. Okay, keeping the this one right side positive, we have to do anything. So after that, if we compare 3 and 4, we'll get cos omega equal to 1 by 2, sorry, minus 1 by 2, and sin omega equal to root 3 by 2, and p equal to 4. So if we divide tan, this one tan equal to minus root 3, so tan 120 degree equal to root 3. So that's what the angle is. Here you can see this, the perpendicular distance from the origin is 4 and angle is 120 degree. Okay, so p is 4 and omega is 120 degree. Now we'll discuss few condition, that is not a form or any rule, there is just few condition. What will be the angle between the two straight line? These 3 point, now you don't have to remember, I am just showing you just for the purpose. But whenever, if the question come, angle between two lines, okay, general equation, having general equation, what you have to do, look, let angle between two lines having general equation ax1 plus by1 plus c equal to 0, ax2 plus by2 plus c equal to 0. I name the two line L1 and L2. The L1 and L2 is just the name, is theta. Then slope of L1 will be, what is the slope of L1? Line 1, it will be minus 1 by a by minus a by b. Oh, I made a mistake here again. It will be, wait, I used to do this mistake more and more. It will be A1x, B1y, and C1. Okay, not AX1. This one can change. C1. It will be A2x, B2y, and C2. Yeah, that was my mistake. So the angle between these two straight line will be, we have to find their slope and we have to put in this straight line. You can see this straight line, we have to just put in this straight line. So here I'm just showing you, but you don't have to remember this form. Okay. So if a1x plus b1y plus c1 is a straight line, what will be the slope? Minus a1 by b1. Just nothing. You have to take all the things except y to the right hand side, and if you divide with the coefficient of y, you will get the slope. So whenever you will get like this, first you have to find the slope of both and just use the previous formula. Okay, this formula you don't have to use also. This 3 point is very useful in when you are giving competitive exam, okay, like JE mains or something like that. For that reason I'm just showing here. Then what is the condition for two lines to be parallel? Two lines can be parallel if their slopes are equal. Slope means minus a1 by b1 equal to minus a2 by b2, which is equal to a1 by b1 equal to a2 by b2. It is also can be simplified that a1 b2 equal to b1 a2, like this. Okay, whatever way you want, you can just remember, or even you can remember a1 by a2 divided by equal to b1 by b2. If you just exchange these two things, you will get this. Okay, now what is the condition for two lines perpendicular to each other? Why when two lines can perpendicular each other? When their product of the slope is minus 1. When their product of the slope is minus 1, right? So you can see here the slope, their slope is multiplied equal to minus 1, then this is the relation they got, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 equal to 0. So this is the few things, condition that is very useful for JEE and other exam. Then our next topic we'll do the next topic, and then after that we will just go to the exercise directly. So in this topic, what is asking, saying the distance, this is very important, showing you here. What he here is saying, let ax plus by plus c be a line. You can see the green line, which is L, ax plus by, whose perpendicular distance from point P, from P you can see one distance is one point is there here P, and P coordinate is x1 plus y1. The distance, whenever the distance is asking, distance means the perpendicular distance, because perpendicular distance is the smallest distance. So distance from a point means always perpendicular distance. So the perpendicular distance from this point P is small d. What is small d equal to? This thing you have to remember, that modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c mod complete and divided by a square plus b square. What is a and b? A and b are the coefficient of x and y. Okay, what is x1 and y1? X1 y1 is the point. So basically what you have to do, in this straight line you have to put this x1 y1 and you have to divide with a square plus b square. As simple as that. This is very simple. If you remember this formula, just you have to remember the formula. Okay, after that you can do anything. So yeah, I'm giving one example. Okay, in this example is saying find the distance of point from the line. So from line is given 12x plus 6 equal to 5 into y minus 2. Point is minus 1 comma 1. So before proceeding, we have to simplify this equation like x plus by plus c. Okay, we'll simplify this equation here. So simplify means we have to just write like this. So next line you can write 12, this one. If you simplify this one, it will be 12x. Okay, I'm just doing very fast. 12x minus 5y. Okay, and here it will be 6 into 12 is 72. 72 here it will be 10, it will plus 82. Okay, you just simplify by yourself later and you just see. 12 into x 12x, 5 into y 5y, so minus 5y because 5y is coming left side. Here it will be 72 and here it is minus 10, so minus 10 coming to the left side, it will be plus 82. So now we got this one, x plus by plus c form. Now what is the distance? The distance d equal to formula, this formula. What is the formula is saying? Let me write this one. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to just put the value. Numerator mod modulus of ax1. What is a here? 12. What is x1? Anyone? What is x1? What is x1 here? I told that ax1. What is x1 here? Anyone? Fast, fast. What is x1 here? I have to complete this. I was thinking to complete the exercise also. It's okay. I'll have to take another one class. Look, today's class I will extend up to 10:30. Okay. Anyone tell me what is the x1? X1 is the x1 means the point from the point, distance from the point. Look, the distance from the point, this point is x1 y1, right? That means that point will have to put here, that is minus 1 plus b. What is b here? B here is minus 5. Okay, don't miss the minus sign, many of you having tendency of this. Then into 1. Okay, because the point is minus 1 1, so y1 is 1 plus c. What is c? C already given 82. Modulus sign divided by square root of a square. What is a square? 12 square plus minus 5 square. So if you simplify this one, denominator will be root over 144 25, it will be 13. Denominator will be 13. Numerator will be inside the modulus minus 12 minus 5 plus 82, the modulus sign. Which is equal to, you'll get 17 sorry 7 sorry minus 17 minus 17 means 65, I guess. Yeah, 65. 65 which is equal to 5. Okay, which is equal to 5. Fine. So this is the distance from the line is 5 unit. This is example 4 of 10.3. Okay, so you have to write the answer. The distance is equal to 5 units. Okay, next move to the next part. This question is very easy. It is to come for 2 marks only. This particular question is to come for 2 marks only. Okay, they it have a various use in JE mains, in other competitive exam also. Then okay, fine, you can see this one. Those who are leaving, that's your duty. Okay, um, next, distance between two parallel lines. So if the two parallel lines are y equal to mx plus c1 and y equal to mx plus c2, the distance between them will be modulus of c1 minus c2 and divided by 1 plus m square. Why? Because look, if two lines are parallel, their slope will be equal. So m is equal. same, only the C1 and C2 is different, the intercept are different. If C1 and C2 will be equal, what will happen, let me know after the in the class. Okay, after the class, just think about this one. If C1 equal to C2, what will be the I mean, I want to know what will happen if C1, and what will be the situation, I want to know the situation is equal, what will what form of lines are they? Okay, that will be giving as a homework. Okay, this is I'm giving as a homework. Think about this one and let me know. That if C1 is C2 is equal, what will happen? What kind of line will be there? So it is very simple. This if two lines are there, you just write down as a y equal to mx plus c1 c form, and then c1 minus c2 divided by 1 plus m square. But if the line is given, this is here also I made one mistake. If the line is given ax plus b1 plus c1 form, then if the line is given this form, if the line is given a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x, I mean the general equation is given, then the distance between them will be d equal to c1 minus c2 divided by a square plus b square. Okay, so here one question, one what do you call, one example I given. So let's do this example, and after that we'll do the exercise problem, few exercise problem. Let's do this fast. So what we have to find? We have to find the parallel line, distance between this parallel line. Okay. So before doing this, we have to write always in both parallel lines. We have to write both parallel lines in y equal to mx plus c form, right? So we'll write like this. We'll write lx plus ly plus p, or you can just write minus p. Sorry, equal to minus p. I'm taking the p right side. Then I write ly equal to minus lx minus p divided by next line. If I divide both sides with L, it will be minus 1 x, or minus x, you can just write, then minus p by L. Okay, then other line will be, this line also you have to convert. So similarly, you can, if you simplify this line, okay, if you just simplify this one line, you will get ly equal to minus lx plus r. So the next line, our y equal to minus x plus r by L. Okay, now the distance between them will be, the distance between them formula is d equal to, how to write, Formula, what is the formula? C1 minus C2, 1 plus m square. Look here, look, slope is same, right? What is the slope here? Minus 1, and here also minus 1. So we have to compare their C1 part. So it will be minus P by L, okay, minus R by L. I hope it is visible clearly. Okay, and then divided by square root of 1 plus m square. What is m here? Minus 1 square. Okay, if you simplify this one, it will be modulus. If you take minus common, and L also take common, it will be L will be denominator, numerator will be P plus R. Okay, divided by square root of 2. Divided by square root of 2. Okay, if you simplify this one, it will be, yeah, you can write like this. You can just be, and inside 1 divided by square root of 2. Okay, just write like this, or otherwise you can complete like this also. Okay, so that's how to do this second question. Okay, now we'll do, going before going to the exercise problem, I'm mentioning few things. So this is the your this chapter, this is the last part. Okay, because after 10.3 there is no the no part that will come for exam. NBSE already deleted. So it is your last topic. So I already given few example question, right? So all these questions is from your exercise. So your homework will be, before starting question number 5, I'm just mentioning your homework. And try to do this homework just by today. Okay, because tomorrow also I'll take one extra class tomorrow I'll take in afternoon, or by tomorrow morning you can do. So homework will be 1, 2, 3, 4 we did, 5 also will do, and 6 undone undone problems. You can see all this in this part. Some problems I did in the example, like in this example 5 I did this question from 10.362, second problem of 2. Okay, so first problem you have to do, undone problem, all you have to do. Okay, that is the homework. Next, quickly come to the, as I mentioned, today I will extend up to at least 10:30. Fine, for those who are leaving, you can leave, no problem. So let's come to the first question. Find the point. Question number 5. If your book is open, better to open your book. If you're having book, open the book. Page number 235. Question number 5. Find the point on the x-axis where the distance from the line is 4 units. So distance from the line formula we have to use. Okay, but for the here what you have to do, here we have to find, we don't have to find the distance. Here we have to find the point. Okay, let the point on, let the coordinate of the point, let the coordinate of the point on x-axis is x comma 0. because in x coordinate, y coordinate, y part is x in x axis, y coordinate is 0, right? So in x, if the coordinate on the x axis, you have to take the point is x comma 0. So now we have to write, we have to convert this one in this form. We have to convert in this form, ax plus by plus c form. Okay, so to do this one, we have to do just simplification. We have to just do this simplification. If you find the LCM, LCM will be 12 and numerator will be 4x plus 3y equal to 1. Next line, it will be 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, I just skip one line. I just skip one step. You can multiply 12 here, and next line you can just taking 12 to the left hand side. So what we have to do now, we have to find the distance of this point to this line. Okay, so mark this one. The distance between x comma 0 and line 1 is, so use the formula is d equal to modulus of this formula. I don't know how many times I have to tell this formula again and again. Okay, ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square. So what is the x1? Modulus of ax1, a means here 4 times x1. What is x1? X1 is here x. Okay, the point here, that is x1. Next, what plus b? What is b here? 3. And what is y1? Y1 here is 0. Plus c is minus 12. So I'm directly writing minus 12 divided by square root of a square. What is a square? 4 square plus 3 square, which is equal to, in numerator it will be 4x minus 12 divided by, it will be 4 square plus 3 square, 25, 5. Okay, now here, as per question, it is given this distance is 4 unit. Okay, so we have to find this one equal to this. So as per question, this equal to 4. So next line we can write, modulus of 4x minus 12 modulus of equal to 20. Now we'll take out the modulus sign because here already given it is positive. So we don't have to take this modulus sign. Why you used to take modulus sign? Because the distance is never be positive. Sorry, never be negative. So you take the modulus sign to reduce this one to positives. So here it is already positive, so we will not write anything. We write 4x minus 12 equal to 20. Next line it will be 4x equal to 32. Next line x will be 8. So distance is 8 units. Okay. sorry, this is not 8 units. The point is 8 comma 0. We have to find the point, right? X is 8, we took 8 x comma 0, right? The coordinate of the point is 8 comma 0. Okay, next question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7 is saying find the equation of the line parallel to this and passing through the point minus 2 comma 3. So one line is parallel to this line, so and passing through this. So how to do this, how to find this equation? We have to find the slope of the line. What will be the slope of the line? If I find the slope of this line, these two lines are parallel, that means slope of the line will be same as slope of this line. Okay, and passing through this, then we can use the point slope form to find out the equation of the line, right? So you have to write let L to what this mean, when I'm writing this one, this mean I'm naming this line as L. Okay, then from this one, if you simplify the y, you will get y, sorry, 4y equal to 3x plus 2. Next line it will be y equal to 3 by 4, sorry, 3 by 4x plus 1 by 2. You just divide both sides with 4, we'll get 3 by 4x plus 1 by 2. Therefore the slope of line L is 3 by 4. Okay, the line parallel to line L, the slope of the line parallel to line L is 3 by 4. Okay, this is how you have to understand. You have to practice more and more and more, otherwise it will be very difficult to do this. What it called, look, I did not ask those who are giving roll numbers, I did not ask roll numbers. Okay, as I told before that I will end the class at 10:30. So if you are leaving, that's your decision. Okay, I'm not leaving the class, so I'll make you absent, those who are leaving. Okay, the slope of the line is L is 3 by 4, right? The slope of new line, I mean the line which is parallel to this line. So the line having slope 3 by 4 and passing through minus 2 by 3, and the line passing through minus 2 by 2 comma 3. So therefore the equation of the line is, equation formula we'll use the point slope form. What is the point slope form? Point slope form, anyone remember? Point slope form, y minus y naught, y minus y naught. What is y naught? 3 equal to m 3 by 4 into x minus x naught, that is minus 2 here. Next line, if you simplify, simplify this one, it will be 4y 4y minus 12. Okay, I'm just multiplying this one, and here it will be 3 into x plus 2. Then 4y minus 12 equal to 3x plus 6. Okay, then I can take all the things to the right hand side, so it will be 3x minus 4y plus 18 equal to 0. Okay, that's our equation of the line. Question number 7. Next, question number 8. Question number 8 is saying, find the equation of the line perpendicular to this line and having x-intercept 3. So you have to find the slope of the line. Okay, you have to write like this before. Let L is x minus 7y plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, therefore for finding the slope, it will be 7y is equal to x plus 5. Next line, y equal to 1 by 7 x plus 5 by 7. Okay, many students already left. Find those who left, I'll make you absent. I don't know why you left. Without proper reason, I'll make you absent. Fine. Okay, what will be the slope of this line? The slope of line L is 1 by 7. Is 1 by 7, right? Then line perpendicular. So the slope of the line perpendicular to line L. So if a line perpendicular to this line, what will be the slope of the line? Let me know in the comment box. If slope of line L is 1 by 7, so what will be the slope of the line which is perpendicular to this line? Let me know in the comment box first. In the comment box, chat box, please reply. What will be the slope of the line which is perpendicular to line L? I hope all of you are sleeping. Why 7? Not studying at all. Their product of their slope will be -1. So if one is 1 by 7, other should be -7. As simple as that. 5 already, it is I guess 4th class or 5th classes today, but still did not catch up this one. Have to practice more and more, otherwise it is very difficult. Class 11 is not like class 10 math that you will memorize some question and you will pass. Okay, so be careful from now. And to be honest, this midterm question will not be like the from the exercise. Okay, so that you can copy from the book. No, all the question will be same on the formula, but will not from the exercise. Understood? Same thing, but all the numbers, all the equation will change, so that you have to solve. Understand? So don't think that I'll put question from your exercise. No question will given from the exercise. For practice, you just understand the things and then you have to solve. Memorize, there is no place for memorization. Okay, fine. The slope of the perpendicular to the line L will be -7. Look, whenever the number is this, okay, perpendicular means minus of that reciprocal, and parallel means that number. As simple as that. You have to remember only this thing. And x intercept. So what will be the equation of the line? The equation of the line is, anyone remember how to do this question? Point slope, sorry, intercept form. Intercept form, anyone remember? I don't think anyone remember. Slope intercept form, this is the slope intercept form was like this: y equal to m x minus d. Why x minus d? If x intercept is given, x minus d. If y intercept is given, it will be mx plus c. Okay, it will be mx plus c. Here what is given? Here it is given the x intercept. So that is 3. So we have to replace m with -7 and d with 3. Then you have to simplify. It will be y equal to -7x plus 21. If you did the same thing to the right side, if you take all the things to the right side, 7x plus y minus 21 equal to 0. Okay, that is the equation of the line. That is the equation of the line. Okay, then question number 9. Question number 9 is saying the angle between these two. Okay, so you can see this is all, this question is from previous this one. So angle between these two means you have to find the slope of this line and slope of this line. Then you have to put in the formula. Okay, let L to this and J is to x plus square root of 3 y equal to 1. So I took two lines whose L and J. I'm just renaming them. Okay. So for this one, line L, next we have to find the y. What is y equal to? Y equal to, we can write minus square root of 3x plus 1. Okay. So the slope of L is minus square root of 3. Minus square root of 3. Okay, slope of L is minus square root of 3. Okay, similarly, if you simplify this one, here y will be equal to minus 1 by square root of 3, then plus 1 by square root of 3. Okay, here just I did the a quick simplification. For this one you can do by yourself. Sorry, it is into x. Just find, simplify by yourself and you will find the same thing. So the slope of j, the slope of j, j means this line, will be minus 1 by root 3. Okay, so the angle between them formula, what is the formula? The let the angle between L and J is theta. Angle between them is theta. Therefore, tan theta is equal to, formula was there, right? What formula was there? Plus minus mod of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Okay, here sorry, plus minus we will not use, we can use the modulus sign. We can just use the modulus sign. Tan theta equal to modulus of, here it is m2. What is m2? M2, let's take this one, m2. M2, let me show you the formula again, because you never studies. Angle between the m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. M2, so m2 minus m1. What is m1? Square root of 3 divided by 1 plus m2 into m1 square root of 3. Okay, if you simplify this one, very interesting things will come. If you simplify this one, you will get oh wait. Here the slope is minus root 3, na? So here it will be minus of minus root 3, right? Slope is minus root 3. So here also we have to replace this one, minus sign. Okay, so if you simplify this one, you will get denominator, look, root 3 cancel, so it will be 1 plus 1. Why? Minus minus plus 1 plus 1. Numerator it will be minus minus, so it will be plus square root of 3. So if you simplify more, you'll get uh, here, if you simplify more, you will get denominator will be square root of 3. Okay, numerator will be minus 1, here will be 3, so here will be 2. Okay, I'm showing you minus 1 plus 3, and denominator will be 2. If you simplify more, will be numerator will be 2 divided by square root of 3 divided by 2. So basically 2 and 2 cancel. It will be equal to modulus of 1 divided by square root of 3. Okay. So you can write plus minus 1 by, or don't need to write, you have to write like this, either tan theta equal to 1 by square root of 3, 1 by square root of 3. Okay, equal to 1 divided by square root of 3. Okay, so that imply theta will be, which value of theta is which value of theta is 1 by 3 root 3, that is 30 degree, I guess, right? That is 30 degree. Okay, and or tan theta will be minus 1 by square root of 3. Okay, which will implies theta, which value of theta is minus 1 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3 means it will be on second quadrant. Second quadrant, it can be cot 60 degree. Cot 60 degree it can be, but cos 60 degree it will be not tan. Tan means it must be on third quadrant, I guess. No, second quadrant. We can write like this. Tan theta equal to minus 1 by 3. So minus tan 150 degree. Okay, minus tan 150 degree. Yeah, 2 pi by 2 pi minus 3. So it is, you can write like this. You can write like 180 minus 30 degree. 180 minus 30, yeah. Then which is equal to tan 150 degree. Which is equal to, which implies theta is equal to 150 degree. Okay, so look, this is how we have to find the theta value. That we know that theta, tan theta equal to tan 2 pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, right? So that is the how to find the values. Okay, then so what we can get here, we can get here. Okay, do you have any other class now? Do you have any other class now? No, not now. The Betoko will take from 11:30. So it's fine. Today I can take another 15 minutes. I'll do another 2-3 questions, then I'll leave you, okay? Because this is very important part, and your exam is coming. This is very important exam. Don't think this is also like some question will be given and you can use the book or from the Google, because last time I found many of you just copy from the Google. Okay, so this time I will give some type of question that will not available on the internet. Okay, I will make the question by myself. So be careful and try to learn maths. Okay, don't waste time to memorize math. Okay, next I'll do another two question up to 12, then I will finish. Next question, the line through the point h comma 3 and 4 comma 1, h comma 3 and 4 comma 1, one line is there, intersected the line 7x minus 9y minus 19 at 90 degree at right angle. You can see one line, this line intersect the line at 90 degree. Find the value of h. Okay, how to do this one? We'll find this PQ. You can see PQ line, the line PQ, we'll find the slope of the line, and then we'll find the slope of this line. Right angle perpendicular, they intersect at right angle. That means their slope will be multiplication of the slope will be -1. Okay, so let h, sorry, let p h comma 3 and q 4 comma 1 be 2 points. Be 2 points. Then let h comma 3 and 4 comma 1 be 2 points. The slope of PQ line is, how to find the slope? Slope formula very easy, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. x1 is h. If you simplify this one, it will be minus 2 divided by 4 minus h. 4 minus h. Okay, if you simplify more, you will get 2 divided by h minus 4. H minus 4 in denominator. H minus 4. I just take the minus common, so minus minus cancel. Okay, so this is the slope of PQ. Now I have to find the slope of this line. I was thinking to give this one as homework, but still, okay, fine. Okay, here it will be 9y equal to 7x minus 19. Then y equal to 7 by 9 x minus 19 by 9. If you simply, so what is the slope? The slope of this line is 7 by 9. Okay, the slope of this line is 7 by 9 as per question. As per question, what we have to do, this one multiply this one equal to -1 because they are perpendicular. Okay, as per question, 2 divided by h minus 4 multiplied by 7 by 9 is equal to -1. Next line, if you simplify this one, you will get 14 divided by 9h minus 36 equal to -1 divided by 14 equal to minus 9h plus 36 equal to 9h. If you take 9h left hand side and this one on the right hand side, it will be 22. So h will be 22 by, sorry, 22 by 9. Here it will be 14. Okay, 36 minus, it will be this one. So h value is 22 by 9. Okay, as simple as that. If you understand the previous chapter, this exercise will be just as simple as that. Okay, next question number, question number okay, fine. Many of you are leaving the class. I don't know the reason. So okay. So second last question. We have to prove the line through this point parallel to ax plus by is this. A x minus x1 and by minus y1 equal to 0. So one line is parallel to this. Okay, and passing through this point. So find the slope of this one. Slope. If you're leaving the class, that's your loss. Okay, so we can write by, or I can write, I'm writing directly, okay, because we already discussed before these things, by b minus c by b. Okay, I discussed this one before, that if we take all the things to the right hand side except y and divided by b, so minus a by b x and minus c by b. So the slope of this line is minus a by b. Okay, minus a by b. Then the line parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The line parallel to this is, what will the slope? Slope will be same, minus a by b. Slope of the line which is parallel to this line, slope will be same, and the line passing through this point, passing through this. So using point slope form, the equation of the line is, using the point slope form, y minus y naught. What is y naught? Here y naught is y1. Here y naught is y1 into, equal to m. What is m? Minus a by b, bracket x minus x1. What is x1? What is x naught? X naught is here is x1. If you just cross multiply this one, you will get, look, b will multiply here, a will multiply here, you will get y minus this and minus a multiply this. Okay, so if you simplify again, not simplification, just take the a to that side, it will be b into this. Okay, we get this equal to 0. I'm just taking the a part to the left hand side, so this part will be 0. Okay, that is the our second last question. Last question for today is question number 12. Question number 12 is the last question. Okay, what is question number 12 is saying? Two lines passing through 2 comma 3 and intersect at an angle 60 degree. If the slope of one line is 2, find the equation of other line. So two lines are intersect at 60 degree. Okay, so one slope is given, another slope we have to find out. Another slope we have to find out. So here, from here, let the slopes of the lines are m1 and m2. Okay, so m1 is given to, we have to find the m2. Write down m1 is equal to 2. The angle between the lines is 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. Therefore, as per question, tan, as per question, tan 60, tan 60 degree is equal to, same formula, modulus m2 minus m1. What is m2? M2 here is unknown, so we'll write like this. Okay, we write like this, m2 minus, what is m1? 2, then 1 plus m1 or m2 into m2, same. Okay, so this one equal to, next what you have to find, tan, then tan 60. Tan 60 equal to, tan 60 value is, tan 60 value is how much? Square root of 3, right? Square root of 3 is equal to this. Is equal to this. So what we can write, we can write here, then this value will be equal to plus minus square root of 3. Okay, plus minus square root of 3. So either m2 will be plus or m2 will be minus. So case 1, case 1 first will be when m2 will equal to square root of 3, square root of 3. So here when it is 3, we have to find the value of this one. So it will be, if you simplify, how much will be value? If you simplify, it will be square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3m2 m2. Then if you simplify this one, if you take all this m2 m2 minus 2 square root of 3 m2, okay, equal to 2 plus square root of 3. Okay, if you take m2 common from there, if you take m2 common from here, it will be 1 minus 2 square root of 3. Okay, plus sorry, equal to 2 plus square root of 3. So divided by m2 equal to, it will be 2 plus square root of 3 divided by 1 minus 2 square root of square root of 3. Okay, this is case 1. Case 1, why I'm saying case 1? Because there will be one other case when it will be minus. So m2 1 m2 we got this. Okay, so the line is also passing through 2 comma 3, right? Two line is passing through this. So the equation of the line, the line passing through 2 comma 3, the line passing through 2 comma 3, the equation of the line is same slope intercept formula, y minus y1, that is 3, then m, here m is this into x minus x1, that is 2. In this question you don't need to do the simplification. Okay, you can leave the things like this, you can leave the equation like this. Now case 2, what will be case 2? Case 2 when it will be minus, because look here it was plus minus root 3, right? So when it is minus, it will be minus, I'll just change minor change, I'll do, then I'll show you. Here it will be plus, here it will be 2 minus. Okay, all will be same, only the change will be here. So here it will be 1 plus, if you see the change will be only the sign, other will be same. So it will be 2 minus root 3 divided by 1 plus 2 root 3. So passing through 2 comma 3, same thing. Now we just replace this one. So this is our two equation. Okay, that is our answer. This two equation you can simplify also if you want. We can simplify. Simplification means just to simplify into this one. Okay, and or you can just keep like this. Fine. So your homework will be simplification. Okay, simplify both of them. Simplify both of them. It will be your homework. I'm giving homework. Simplify both. So tomorrow, as I told, tomorrow in afternoon, like tomorrow from 3 p.m., I'll take one more class.